So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to withdraw from OKX wallet to your bank account. So first, you need to open your OKX wallet or application or just simply visit their website. And after that, you need to access your account by simply entering your credentials for you to able to access your account. And after that, you need to navigate on your assets, click it, and a drop down menu will pop up, which is you will see the My Assets, Deposit, Withdraw, as well as the Transfer. You need to click the Withdraw button, and after that, there are few options, which is the crypto and the cash. You just have to pick one, whether you wanted to withdraw in crypto or you wanted to withdraw in cash. So you need to fill out your informations for you to able to proceed to your withdrawal. And after that, you can now withdraw from your OKX wallet to your bank account. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.